Hi, this is Nidhi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet earring. How lacy it is. For this earring, I am going to use two colors. This is anchor knitting cotton and we will require a crochet hook. This is a 1.1 mm, an ear wire and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. We will start with the pink color. Make a slip knot. And chain 7. Make a slip stitch into the first chain and form a ring. Now we are going to hold the tail along with the ring so that while we crochet, the tail hides inside. We start with chain 2. Now we are going to make 4 double crochets into this ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Two, 3 and 4. Now we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to make 12 more double crochets into this ring. We have finished making 12 double crochets. We had started with 4 double crochets. Now we are going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Yarn over, pull through and pull through. Chain 1, pull up the yarn and cut. The first color work is completed. Now we will take the next color. This is the right side of our work. We will attach the next yarn into the 4th DC. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You count from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull the yarn through the 4th DC and chain 1. Make a single crochet into the same 4th DC. Now we are going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. And make a single crochet into the next DC. Chain 3 into the next DC, a single crochet. We are going to make 9 such loops of 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and we'll continue till we get 9 loops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we are going to work the last one. 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet into the next DC. This is the same place where we had completed the pink. Now chain 1, turn the work around, make a slip stitch into the 3 chain space and make a single crochet into the same space. Chain 3 into the next 3 chain space, a single crochet. Chain 3, a single crochet into the next chain 3 space. This is the last chain 3 space. Chain 1, turn your work around, make a slip stitch into the first chain 3 space. We made a chain and we turned around, then we made a slip stitch into this chain 3 space, and now we are going to work a single crochet into the same space. Now we are going to do the same thing, chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain 3 space. We are going to do this for 4 rows. If you want a longer earring, a more tapering earring, here, you can continue this pattern. It will go on tapering till you come to 1 chain 3 space. I wanted it short, and this is a different type of design, because if you go on continuing, it becomes like a pineapple design. You can do like as you like. With each row, the chain 3 space goes on decreasing by 1. We had started with 9. Now we have finished the 8. Now we are doing the row in which we will be getting 7 chain 3 spaces. And this is the last space. Again chain 1, turn around, make a slip stitch into the chain 3 space and a single crochet in the same space. Chain 3 and a single crochet into the next chain 3 space. This is our last row. Isn't it quick and easy? In no time you can make an earring matching to your dress. And the last place. We have completed 4 rows. Make a chain and pull up a loop and cut off. Pull the tail tight. Now you need to weave the ends in. The beginning tail we have already woven along with the ring. You can use a tapestry needle or you can do it with the crochet hook itself. Okay, now it is good to cut. In the same way, we are going to weave these ends. You can wear it just the way it is with a hook, or you can block it. See how hard this is. The shape remains like this, but this is not blocked, so it is loose. It can fold, but this one has been blocked, so it remains stiff and in shape, and you can see the lacy design so clearly. I hope you have liked this tutorial. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of new videos as soon as I post them. Thank you so much for watching.